C4 Labs hooking it up with the Philippine mahogany wood zebra case. This one has the GPIO top. You can also get a solid top. You can also get this with a Pi logo. You can also get a similar version with a fan. Loving the wood accents, rubber grommets. Comes with 3 heat sinks, not 2. You know, nothing was compromised here. And this comes in many configurations, but here's a simple how-to and review video. Overall, really happy with the product. A lot of details, made in the USA. Let's check this one out. All right, C4 Labs Zebra, wooden zebra case for the Pi 3. Well packed. We got some wood, we got some acrylic pieces. Let's, oh, okay. First thing to do is get rid of the paper on these acrylic pieces. This is a little bit of a job, so we're going to time lapse it. These I put on the wrong way. Actually, I think they're better off with the screw going into the opening, so the screw is hidden inside the rubber grommet. So you see that, how the screw is actually hidden inside? There's only one way you're going to be able to do that. This is going to save you a ton of time doing this correctly the first time, unlike me. Just make sure that opening on the bottom plate matches the where the RAM is on the Raspberry Pi 3. That should be one of the first steps. All right, step 1. We got the back plate. Next piece is the wood piece. It's got to go on like this, so there we go. Wood piece numero uno. And we're just going to place that down. Wood piece. We got plastic wood. Now we have the really thin one of these. Really thin. So it goes like this. The thicker one is going to be in the front. The thinner side is going to be on the back. Okay. Next, they're saying we got to use this little piece here for the ports. It kind of slides in there. I'm just going to set it here for now. I'm going to put it in a little bit. Next is the Pi. So it just kind of rests in there. Oh, it just kind of rests. That first plastic piece kind of sets the tone, and it just sets in there. As you can see, I can't really move this. It's a perfect kind of fit for that. Oh, that's why you want to put the display plate on. It's because the display plate has to be over these ports. So you kind of want to drop the display plate, or the port plate, and the HDMI and all that. Oops, upside down. Nope, I have to turn it 180 here. Okay, there we go. So that fits right on. Line up the HDMI port, it is directional. All right, so now we have that little front port plate, or the back port plate, and we got the Pi in there. We got the clear acrylic. We got the Pi. Next we have these 2 plastic pieces. They both go like this. So we're just gonna go 1, and then 2. They're identical. So, and then on the other screw, you might be noticing we're only using the 1, 2, 3 screws, 1, 2, and then 3 in the back. So then these ones here for the acrylic plate go here, and they should just slide right over with this the port plate on there. Should all align. This first one's going to be a little trickier. There it is. Okay, and then the second one. All right. So now we're up to the next brown plate, and you can see the curvature goes in the front. The ports have to line up. I mean, you're only going to fit that on one way. You can already see we can no longer see the screws here. These are recessed, so you're not going to have a problem with that. And then the final step, just align the GPIO pins with the GPIO slot right there. And then the last thing to do is drop these in. And you can kind of hand tighten them a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and flip this back over. Okay, and then I'm just going to screw these in. All right, now we're there. So really nice Really clean. You see the GPIOs. Couple of closing notes here. As you can see, I didn't use the heat sinks, but it does come with all 3 heat sinks. This does not have a fan, but if you're not overclocking your Pi, this case is gonna do just great. It still has access to your camera ports, all your ribbon cable ports, your GPIOs, your outputs, your USBs, your network cable. The Wi-Fi is gonna go through here just fine. And that wood accent really adds a lot of detail. Also, you might notice there's 2 little holes there above the RAM, so it's wall mountable. You can mount it in all sorts of things, a bar top. So really clean, compact case. C4 Labs, Zebra, made in the USA. Beautiful stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.